This video will explain everything you need to know about the BlueDriver OBD2 scanner, from what it is and how it works to the specific features that set it apart from other OBD2 scanners on the market. BlueDriver isn't just another car code reader. It is a powerful and user-friendly diagnostic tool that empowers users to understand their vehicles like professional mechanics. Compatible with practically every make and model, BlueDriver provides detailed repair reports, potential causes, and documented remedies, all through an intuitive mobile app available for both Android and iOS devices. To use the scanner, simply find the DLC port on your vehicle and plug in the provided OBD2 sensor. You don't need to turn on the engine, but the car's electronics should be powered on for the scanner to read the vehicle data. Once connected, the BlueDriver app on your phone or tablet becomes your window into your vehicle's diagnostics. Now let's delve into BlueDriver's impressive features. It not only reads and clears trouble codes and check engine lights, but also provides enhanced vehicle diagnostics typically only available to mechanics. Read and clear trouble codes. Identify and clear the fault codes, triggering your check engine light. Enhanced diagnostics. Unlike basic scanners, BlueDriver goes beyond the check engine light. It allows you to read and clear ABS, airbag, SRS, TPMS codes, and many more, giving you a more comprehensive view of your car's health. Detailed repair information. BlueDriver provides you with specific repair reports containing possible causes, documented fixes, and more for virtually every vehicle make and model. This empowers you to make informed decisions about repairs. Wireless convenience. BlueDriver connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, offering the functionality of a high-end scan tool without the hassle. User-friendly app and repair videos. The user-friendly app provides easy access to a vast database of repair videos with step-by-step instructions, guiding you through the repair process. Live data display. Unlike many OBD2 scanners, BlueDriver can stay connected to your vehicle even while you drive. This allows you to monitor real-time data streams such as engine temperature, RPMs, and fuel efficiency in graph, gauge, or digital format. You can also customize the display to your liking and even record and save real-time data for further analysis. Smog test check. See if your car is likely to pass an emissions test, and if not, the app can provide insights into why it might fail. Freeze frame. Capture a snapshot of your car's data right before the check engine light appeared, which can be helpful for troubleshooting. Mode 6. Check if your car's various systems are operating within normal parameters. Unlike many OBD2 scanners, BlueDriver can stay connected to your vehicle even while you drive. Zero subscription fees. Unlike some scanners, BlueDriver offers everything you need with a one-time purchase. There are no hidden in-app fees or add-ons. 24/7 support. BlueDriver provides you with peace of mind with 24/7 professional support. Get in touch with their highly trained technicians anytime, anywhere, via phone or in-app chat. In conclusion, with its unparalleled support, user-friendly app, and comprehensive features, BlueDriver empowers you to take control of your vehicle's health like never before. Ready to experience the power of BlueDriver for yourself? Click the link in the description and get your hands on this game-changing diagnostic tool today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on automotive tools and technology.